Happy Dhanteras to all of you. What is Dhanteras? Dhanteras is known as Dhantrayodasi, is a festival celebrated by North Indians prior to Deepavali. On this day, people purchase utensils, jewelry to bring good luck in their house. The word derived from Dhan meaning wealth and Teras means 13 of the 13th day of the Hindu calendar. The day usually falls between 2-3 days prior to Deepavali. This year the festival is celebrated on 13th November, which is Friday, and one day before the festival of lights. Just like many Indian festivals, this day is too linked with Puranas. On this auspicious day, we pray Lord Yamaraja on this day to avoid unexpected deaths. Another interesting story which is very popular is the one featuring Lord Dhanvantari, who is the physician of the gods and an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, who came out of an ocean that is believed to be churned by the gods and demons on the day of Dhanteras. Since then, Dhanteras is known as one of the most auspicious days and one of the biggest festival of Hindus. People also worship Lord Yamaraja, the god of death, in the night and offer prayers to seek blessings. Just before Deepavali, people clean their houses, decorate with lights and diyas to keep the evil forces and negative energy away. Dhanvantari, who is also worshipped on the occasion of Dhanteras, is considered to be the god of Ayurveda, imported of wisdom of Ayurveda for the betterment of mankind and to help get rid of all sufferings and diseases. The Indian Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy declares the day of Dhanteras is National Ayurveda Day, which was normally celebrated on 28th of October every year. Dhanteras is the worship of Lord Dhanvantari. Lord Dhanvantari, according to Hindu mythology, emerged during Samudra Manthan, holding a kalasa full of Amrit, that is Ayurveda, in one hand and the sacred text about Ayurveda in the other hand. He is considered to be the Vaidya of gods. The festival is celebrated as Lakshmi Puja also, which is performed in the evenings when lamps of clay are lit. Bhajans and devotional songs in praise of Goddess Lakshmi are sung and Naivedya is offered. On Dhanteras, homes that have not yet been cleaned in preparation for Deepavali are thoroughly cleaned and whitewashed, and Lord Dhanvantari, the god of health and Ayurveda, is worshipped in the evening. The main entrance is decorated with colorful lights, and traditional rangoli is also displayed on the entrance of the house to welcome goddess of wealth and prosperity. To indicate her long awaited arrival, small footprints are also drawn throughout the house. On the night of Dhanteras, lamps are ritually kept burning throughout the night in honor of Lord Lakshmi and Dhanvantari. Hindus consider this as an extremely auspicious day for making new purchases, especially of gold or silver articles and new utensils. It is believed that new dhan in some items made of precious metal is a sign of good luck. In modern times, Dhanteras has come to be known as the most auspicious occasion for buying gold and silver and other kitchen utensils. On this night, the lights are set out every night, both in the sky lamps and as offerings at the base of a tulasi plant, and also in the form of diyas, which are placed in front of the doorways of the homes. The light is an offering to Yama, the host of death, to avoid untimely death during the life. The day is celebrated aimed at increasing wealth, health and prosperity. Dhanteras engages themes of cleansing, renewal and the securing of auspicious in as embodied by Lakshmi. So on this auspicious day, we pray Dhanvantri to get rid of corona from India or throughout the world. We pray thoroughly with full devotion to Lord Dhanvantri to find out a medicine for corona and get rid of this disease. We'll pray Goddess Lakshmi also in this auspicious day to retain, recover, bless all the wealth and health for we people. So let us be blessed by Lord Dhanvantri and Lakshmi. Happy Dhanteras!